Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then select the erase color to by color white. Select the 3D shape extraction. Remove the background color. Duplicate the shape. Change the color of shape. Select the text edit. Select animo. Then select another shape. Duplicate the shape. Change the background color. Then select the 3D shape. Change the color. Adjust the color. Duplicate the shape. Select the color filter. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.